Think being a billionaire is just about luxury yachts and private jets? Think again. Elon Musk is rewriting the playbook. Ever wondered how Elon Musk turned his early childhood fascinations into a blueprint for some of the most revolutionary companies today? In this video, we dive into the stories of his youthful ventures, from selling his first software at age 12 to reshaping the future of technology and space. How did his early experiences shape his fearless approach to business? What can we learn from his vision and relentless pursuit of innovation? Stay tuned as we uncover the pivotal moments and lessons from Musk's journey that could inspire your own path to innovation. Starting young, Elon Musk's journey into the realms of innovation and entrepreneurship began astonishingly early. At the tender age of 12, while many of his peers were navigating the complexities of middle school, Musk was already making his mark in the world of technology by selling his first software, a game called Blastar. This early achievement was not just a fleeting hobby, it was a clear indication of his knack for technology and a precursor to his fearless approach towards business ventures. This section delves into how Musk's early exposure to programming and business shaped his mindset. We explore the environment he grew up in, how a young boy from Pretoria, South Africa, consumed with books on science fiction and philosophy, was not merely dreaming of the future, but was stepping out to create it. Through personal anecdotes and early experiences, we'll see how these formative years were critical in building the resilience and intellectual curiosity that later defined his revolutionary projects. Each story from his youth is not just a tale of precocious achievement, but a lesson in cultivating passion and vision from a young age. This exploration helps us understand that the roots of entrepreneurship are often found in one's earliest inklings of curiosity and ambition. Vision beyond boundaries. Elon Musk's ability to envision the seemingly impossible and his drive to turn those visions into reality set him apart in the world of tech and entrepreneurship. His projects, spanning from PayPal to SpaceX and then to Tesla, reflect his unparalleled ambition and foresight. Musk doesn't just look to improve existing technologies, he aims to revolutionize entire industries. For instance, his commitment to electric vehicles through Tesla wasn't merely about creating a more efficient car, it was about redefining the global automotive industry to prioritize sustainability. Similarly, SpaceX was founded not just as another aerospace manufacturer, but with the goal of making space travel affordable and ultimately enabling humans to live on other planets. We delve into the strategy behind Musk's grand visions. We explore how his clear, audacious goals attract the right talent and create a culture where radical innovation is the norm. We also discuss how his approach to problem-solving through first principles thinking allows him to break down complex problems into fundamental truths and rebuild solutions from the ground up. By studying Musk's methodology, we can learn how to apply similar thinking to our challenges, pushing the boundaries of what we believe is achievable. This part of Musk's journey teaches us the power of thinking big, not just dreaming big, but also acting on those dreams with precision and persistence, embracing failure. Elon Musk's career exemplifies the adage that failure is not the opposite of success, but a stepping stone towards it. One of the most illustrative examples of this is the journey of SpaceX. Early in its history, SpaceX faced multiple launch failures. Rockets such as the Falcon 1 failed 3 times before achieving a successful orbit on the 4th attempt. Each failure was a public and costly event, yet Musk used these experiences to foster a culture of resilience and innovation rather than deterrence. We explore how Musk's attitude towards failure has catalyzed innovation within his companies. He openly discusses mistakes and encourages his team to do the same, viewing each setback as an invaluable learning opportunity. And this openness not only accelerates the pace of innovation, but also helps in rapidly pinpointing and addressing issues, which is crucial in industries like aerospace and automotive, where technological advancement is rapid and unforgiving. We'll dissect specific instances where Musk's companies learn from failures, adapting and improving subsequent designs and strategies. By examining how Musk embraces failure, we can gain insights into developing a mindset that sees beyond setbacks, focuses on solutions, and maintains forward momentum. This approach is vital for anyone looking to innovate and succeed in challenging fields. Leadership and culture. Elon Musk's distinctive leadership style is fundamentally tied to his broader vision of radical innovation and industry disruption. This is particularly evident at Tesla, where his hands-on approach and commitment to innovation permeate every aspect of the organization. Musk's leadership philosophy is characterized by his expectation for high performance and his unique ability to drive his team toward achieving seemingly unreachable goals. We delve into how Musk's leadership style not only influences company culture, but actively shapes it. At Tesla, Musk fosters a culture of continuous improvement and relentless pursuit of excellence. He is known for setting incredibly challenging deadlines, a practice that pushes his teams to innovate faster and more efficiently. This has been crucial in accelerating the development of new technologies, from electric cars to renewable energy solutions. Moreover, Musk's direct involvement in the smallest details of product design and strategy showcases a leadership style that is deeply intertwined with the operational aspects of his companies. We explore the impact of such involvement on employee motivation and product outcomes. By understanding Musk's approach to leadership, viewers can gain insights into how visionary leadership can drive a company to achieve exceptional results, creating a culture where pushing boundaries is the norm, not the exception, in the future and beyond. Elon Musk's vision extends far beyond the current achievements of his enterprises. His forward-looking projects like colonizing Mars through SpaceX and developing a high-speed Hyperloop transportation system showcase his commitment to addressing global and multi-planetary challenges. Musk envisions a future where humanity is not just surviving, but thriving on multiple planets, and where travel across cities and countries is revolutionary, fast, and clean. We explore Musk's upcoming projects and their potential impacts on society and technology. The Mars colonization project, for example, is not merely about setting foot on another planet. It's about establishing a sustainable human presence there, which involves solving enormous technical, physiological, and social challenges. Similarly, the Hyperloop aims to overhaul urban and inner-city transport, reducing travel times and carbon footprints with unprecedented efficiency. We'll also discuss how Musk's vision for Neuralink aims to merge human consciousness with artificial intelligence, a step he sees as vital in keeping pace with AI development. These ambitious projects not only push technological boundaries, but also challenge us to rethink our approaches to science, ethics, and governance. By examining these future endeavors, we can better understand how visionary thinking can lead to innovations that may transform our world and how we might contribute to this bold new future. Elon Musk's path offers rich lessons on innovation, risk, and vision. As we've seen, his success is not just about having resources, but how he thinks, leads, and learns from failures. What part of Musk's journey inspired you the most, and how will you apply these lessons to your own goals? If you're inspired by Musk's story and our discussion, like this video, subscribe for more insights, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What innovative idea would you pursue if you had Musk's resources?